What is Java? Java is a high-level language. It is an object-oriented programming language. It is a very secure and it is a platform independent and high performance. It is a portable language. If I talk about Java features, then it is a very simple, portable and secure language. It is a robust and interpreted and dynamic language. If I talk about what is the most important feature of the Java, Java is a platform independent language. What do you mean by platform independence? Platform independence means that we can write and compile code in one's platform window and can execute the class any other supported platform like Linux, Solaris. Are JVM platform independent? JVM are not platform independent. JVM are platform specific runtime implementation provided by vendor. What is JVM? JVM is the Java Virtual Machine, which is the runtime environment for compiled Java class. What is the difference between JDK and JVM? JDK is the Java Development Kit, which is used for development purpose and it is include execution environment also. But JVM is a purely runtime environment and hence we will not able to compile our source file using JVM. What is pointer and does Java support pointer? Pointer is the reference handle to memory location. Improper handle of the pointer lead to memory leak reliability issue, hence Java does not support. What is the base class of all class? The base class of all classes is java.lang.object. Does Java support multiple inheritance? Java does not support multiple inheritance because diamond problem are created. Is Java is a pure object oriented language? Java uses primitive type and hence is not a pure object oriented language. Are array primitive data types? In Java, array or object. What is the difference between path and class path? Path and class path are the operating system level environment variable. Path is the used to define where the system can find the executable .exe file and class path is used to specify the location .class file. In Java, what are the local variable? Local variable those which are declared within a block of the code like method. Local variable should be initialized before accessing them. What are the instance variable? Instance variable are those which are defined at the class level. Instance variable need not be initialized before using them as are automatically initialized to their default value. How to define a constant variable in Java? The variable should be declared as a static and final, so only one copy of the variable exists for all instances of the class, and the value can't be changed also. Static final int pi equal to 2.14. It is an example of constant. Should a main method be compulsory declare in the all the Java classes? No, not required. Main method should be defined only source class in Java application. What is the return type of the main method? Main method does not return anything, hence declare void. Why the main method declare static? Main method is called by JVM even before initialization of the class, hence it is declared as a static. What is the argument of the main method? Main method concept an array of the string object as a argument. Can a main method be overloaded? Yes. We can have any number of the method with different method signature and implementation in the class. Can a main method be declared final? Yes, anything inheriting class will not be able to have its own default method. Does the order of the public and static declaration matter in main method? No, it does not matter, but void should be always come before the mains. Can a source file contain more than one class's declaration? Yes, a single source file can contain any number of class declaration, but only one the class can be declared as a public. What is a package in Java? Package is a collection of the related classes and interfaces. Package declaration should be first statement in Java class. Which package is imported by default? Java.long package is imported by default even without a package declaration. Can a class declare as a private be accessed out its package? Not possible. Can a class be declared as a protected? A class can't be declared as a protected. Only method can be declared as a protected. What is the access of a protected method? A protected method can be accessed by the classes within the same package or same subclasses of the class in any package. What is the purpose of declaring a variable as a final? A final variable value can't be changed. Final variables should be initialized before using them. What is the impact of declaring a method as a final? A method declared as a final can't be overridden. A subclass can't have the same method signature with a different implementation. I don't want my class to be inherited by any other class. What should I do? I should declare our class as a final, but we can't define our class as a final. It is an abstract class. A class declared as a final can't be extended by any other class. Can any One give few example of the final classes defined in Java API. Java dot long dot string comma Java dot long math are final classes. How is the final different from finally and finalize? Final is the modifier which can be applied it to a class or method if variable. Final class can't be inherit. Final method can't be override. Final method can't be changed. Finally is the exception handling code. Section will get executed whether exception is raised or not. Try block code segment. Finalize the method of the object class which will be executed by JVM just before the garbage collecting object to give a final chance to resolve the releasing activity. Can a class be declared as a static? No, a class can't be declared as a static. Only method a or variable or block of the code can be declared as a static. When will you define a method as a static? When a method needed to be accessed even before the creation of the object of the class, then we should declare the method as a static. What are the restrictions imposed on a static method, static block of the code? A static method should not be referred to instance variable without creating a instance and cannot use the operator to refer the instance. I want to print hello even before main is executed. How will you achieve that? Print the statement inside a static block of code. A static block get executed when class get loaded into memory even before the creation of the object, hence it will be executed before the main method and it will be executed only once. What is the importance of static variable? Static variable are the class level variable where object of the class refer to the same variable. If one object change the value, then change get reflected in all the object. Can we declare a static variable inside a method? Static variable are class level variable and they can't be declared inside a method. If declared, the class will not compile. What is the abstract class and what is its purpose? A class which does not provide complete implementation defined as abstract class. Abstract class infers abstraction. Can a abstract class be declared final? Not possible. An abstract class without be inherit of the no use of, hence result it is a compile time error. What is the use of abstract variable? Variable can't be declared as abstracts. Only classes and method can be declared as abstracts. Can you create an object of the abstract classes? Not possible. Abstract classes can't be initiated. Can a can a abstract classes be defined without any abstract method? Yes, it is possible. This is basically to avoid the instance of the creation the class. Class C implement interface I connecting method M1 and M2 declaration. Class C has provided implementation for method M2. Can I create a object of the class C? Not possible. Class C should be provide implementation for the method in the interface.